So welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. I am Katrena, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel. And in today's video, I'm back in my priceless kitchen, cooking up something, well, you already know. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Just keep watching. And if you're new here, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell twice so you never miss an upload of the Priceless Pearl Life. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm truly delighted that you stopped by today for this fun and festive breakfast or lunch. That's right, or even brunch. I was just thinking about Christmas Eve or Christmas morning and a fun activity for the family in the kitchen. So I stopped by Walmart and I found this mini waffle maker, and shazam, an idea was birthed. Just keep watching. You know the fun is just about to begin. I'm using Great Value by Walmart pancake and waffle mix. You know, it's easy because it's just the just add water version. To all of my loyal subscribers, I truly appreciate you rocking with me from January until now. And for those of you who are new here, well, welcome aboard. Welcome to my priceless family. And if this is your first time or your fifth time visiting and you haven't subscribed yet, well, go ahead and subscribe. Become a part of my family on today, because on my channel, I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, and so much more. I think you'll love it here. My mother always told me never play with your food, but I think this time, on this occasion, it is an exception. These look absolutely amazing and they taste amazing as well. So why don't you get some pancake and some waffle mix? Get your family in the kitchen. Think about different shapes, different Christmas characters. Oh, I didn't even add sausage to the mix. The possibilities are endless. And until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.